Have you ever ended your day exhausted but still felt like nothing important got done? You answered emails, attended meetings, replied to messages, worked all day, yet the most important task remained unfinished. If that sounds familiar, this episode may change the way you work forever. Because when everything feels important, nothing gets prioritized. Let's be honest, Guardians. Most people are not struggling with time, they are struggling with priority. We live in a world where every notification feels urgent, every email feels important, every request demands attention. And slowly, we become firefighters, running from task to task, problem to problem, urgency to urgency, but at end of the day, the meaningful work remains untouched. And that creates frustration because deep inside you know you are capable of more. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanita Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic Karyan coach, and you're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks. Welcome to season 2 of the Raves of the Karyan, day 24 of 30. We raise and we grow, where we just take 1% every day, and that is the baby step at every time towards the Vedic way. Until then, in the Vedic wisdom, not everything deserves equal attention. One of the greatest skills is Viveka, the power of discernment, the ability to know what matters most. The distracted mind asks, what can I do? The wise mind asks, what should I do first? This is where transformation begins because productivity is not about doing more, it is about doing what matters. A Karyan understands activity is not achievement, busyness is not progress, priority creates progress. Let me tell you about two professionals, both had talent, both had ambition, both had the same 24 hours. The first person started every day reacting. Emails first, messages first, meetings first. By evening, exhausted, overwhelmed, frustrated. The second person started with one priority. Before opening email, before checking WhatsApp, before reacting to the world, one meaningful task. Day after day, week after week, momentum grew. 3 months later, one person was busy, the other was progressing. The difference was not talent, the difference was priority. Karyans, I want you to hear this carefully. Your future is hidden inside your priorities. Show me your daily priorities and I'll show you the future because every day you are voting for your life you want. When you prioritize health, you build energy. When you prioritize learning, you build wisdom. When you prioritize meaningful work, you build success. The question is not, are you busy? The question is, are you focused on what matters most? Here is today's Karyan productivity formula. Question number 1. What is the one task that moves my life forward today? Question number 2. If I complete only this task, will today still be a success? Question number 3. What can wait? Write these 3 questions every morning. They will transform your productivity. Drifters try to do everything. Karyans do what matters. Drifters react, Karyans prioritize. Drifters stay busy, Karyans create progress. If today episode feels personal for you, if you constantly feel overwhelmed, if today's podcast energized you, if your to do list controls your life, you don't need another productivity hack, you need a system. That's exactly why I created the Vedic Karyan Launchpad, a place where professional learns focus, prioritization, discipline, consistency, and Vedic productivity. And most importantly, you don't walk alone. You grow with the community of Karyans. If you're ready to for that transformation, join the Vedic Karyan Launchpad. And if this episode helped you, subscribe to the Vedic Productivity Talks because we are building something bigger than productivity. We are building Karyans. Comment priority if you're ready to stop doing everything and start doing what really truly matters to you. I'll see you tomorrow inside on my day 21 of the Race of the Karyans. Until then, I wish you to be very productive. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye. Jai Hind.